Hi and welcome to Retro Friends. This channel is about a lot of things. We don't really have a focus specifically to any one thing, but we do know that we have a couple of core values that are probably not going to change. Hi, I'm Herb.
And I'm Drew.
We love making things. We also love playing games, and let's face it, we love tech.
We do. Here at Retro Friends, you'll see awesome tutorials for anything from software to hardware, retro hardware, and also model making.
As well as a tiny house. We're here today in the Retro Lab. We also go on location sometimes to wherever we're making things.
Sometimes we'll be at my place to where we'll be in my studio. Sometimes we'll be in my place where we'll be in my studio making various models, showing you guys how to airbrush, or just doing random gameplay.
While I did organize the channel, it's self-organizing, so you're going to see other people come into the channel from time to time doing different things. Some of them will be celloists.
Some of them will be mechanical engineers. Some will be industrial designers like myself.
We also do podcasting, reviews, unboxings, Mailbag, which is a series that I started, which is basically me opening stuff that has to do with other projects.
Sometimes Herb will be in his tool shop making awesome things.
Who knows what I'll make, and what any of us will make here at Retro Friends. You can also check out our Tumblr if you want to get a good history of what we're doing, which is retrofriends.tumblr.com. Also keep in mind that a lot of our usernames and handles on other sites have a Z instead of an S. Apparently the name is not that unique, but we are, and we're happy to be here making videos for you. So Drew, what kind of games do you like?
Well, I personally like RPGs and action-adventure games. Herb, what do you like?
I like the ones that I make myself, like with the Pixitron engine and other engines, because for about 11 years now, I've been a part of Lost Astronaut Studios.
With me, I love model making. So typically you'll see me at my studio airbrushing, putting together model kits, and showing you guys how to make awesome models.
For those of you who want to help support this channel, you can join our Patreon. Of course, everyone is doing this these days. What you get out of our Patreon is you get to support this channel's projects, some giveaways, and in addition to that, you get to have access to the vlog of vlogs, where I talk about all the stuff we go through in making this channel. A bunch of unlisted videos available only for patrons.
Make sure to follow us on Twitter. That's Retro Friends with a Z. On our Twitter profile, there are links to all of our different social media websites, like Twitch. There, you'll see exclusive stream. It's also where you can watch us play awesome games and communicate with us.
So come play with us. Join us on the journey of making things.
Yes.
By the way, we do all of this with a little tongue in the cheek, right? I'm right, Drew. Okay. Yes. So welcome to our channel. We hope you enjoy our videos, and please like, comment, subscribe. We want to hear from you. We want to interact with you. We want to talk to you. And we want to hear what you think and what your ideas are, because it's you that matters here at Retro Friends. Be a friend.
And remember to hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever our videos come out.
We talked about gaming and tiny houses and making Gundam models and other types of models and making sculptures and all the crazy stuff that we do here at Retro Friends with all of our friends. But one thing I forgot to mention is that occasionally I'll be doing circuit boards, and I give away a lot of them. Not just the board itself, but also the plans on Easy EDA. But I do provide links to wherever the open source versions of these things are. For instance, this is a passive mixer that I built and designed, and I'm happy to share it with you and also build it and show you how to build it in case you're interested in that sort of thing. You know, YouTube has evolved over the years, and it's really different now. A lot of these guys are just there to advertise to you, or if they are advertising to you, it takes over their channel. We're not looking to do that. We're here to educate, inform, collaborate, make things, share cool tips, weird ideas, strange stuff. It's hard for us to focus on one exact thing like a lot of channels. Also, unlike a lot of channels, we're more than one person. There's a bunch of us, a group, if you will, like the whole gang. We're a group of friends, old friends, thus Retro Friends. And you can be one of our friends too. People interacting and people learning and people working together and evolving. This channel will evolve. For instance, we try experiments all the time, like pizza unboxing. But thanks for your support, and Drew, if you want to say goodbye.
And from all of us at Retro Friends, have a great day.
Awesome. Okay. Hey! It's another Retro Friends unboxing. This time, it's the C64 Mini. friends. What you got there, Drew?
I don't know what I have here. I have a fight stick.
It's big.
Hey friends, this is Drew. Today we are going to be playing the GB Station Lite. You can get this on eBay for around $8, and it comes with about 1 million games. So we're just gonna play this today, and we're gonna see. All right, so let's check it out. So getting into the system, you see that we have quite a few different games that we can choose from. There we go. All right, Extra Life. Ow. Okay. And I died.
If you like this project and would like to help the Retro Friends, please visit our Patreon at the link in the description. Alright, welcome back to Pixietron, episode 14. Previously done work, had to remake it, but we're finally done. All 12 of these, or 14, or however many characters there are. I think there's actually 12 unique characters. What Adam's got for us today is the Pixie game. And I just want to show you the lines that you need in the engine.js file, I think. Yes, to change the scale mode from linear, which is what you're seeing by default in Pixie, to the nearest. So you say pixie.settings in the init renderer clause of the engine, pixie.settings.scale mode equals pixie.scalemodes.nearest. When she's closer up, and she's just not as complicated as before. Just everything makes more sense at this level. There she is, and if I render her in full, you can see her there. I'll make it a little bit bigger and do that thing to her, and you can see her slowly fade in with her eye patch. Now, she's pretty much the same. I based her off the same model, which would be the Death General model. I'm going to bring that in just to remind you. So she was based loosely off of this guy. And the thing about these characters is that they're going to be pretty small, but I'll show them off at a higher resolution so that you can see them. You can do it a couple times.
Hey everybody. I guess I'm...
Hey
friends. Oh. Hey friends.
Welcome back to the tiny house. It's cold today, somewhere in PA. They won't buckle like those very thin tin snip, in quotes, versions. Those are special studs for just doing interior walls and things that are not structural, but these are structural.
As you can see behind me, we're going to be doing our metal framing today. We're going to raise our first walls ever on this. So excited to have you with us.
Because then, like, we can just do a few takes and get this done. We're up close and personal right now.
Yeah.
Is it recording?
It's the nostril version. Yeah, hold it up right in front of your face when you show it. All right, but you can just do an intro like this, and we'll do it again without it being so close.
Okay. Hi everyone, this is Drew.
Hey friends.
Oh.
It's everything.
Okay. Are we still recording?
It's cool.
Okay. Hey friends, this is Drew, and today we're going to be playing the GB Station Lite. You can find this on eBay for around $8. It comes preloaded with a bunch of different games, so I'm just going to try it out and tell you guys what my opinion is, and I think the deal is we're just going to play a few games and see how it works.
Alright. That's great. Now, Iron Man?
Yeah, this is Iron Man.
I thought it was Spider-Man.
No, it's Iron Man.
It's hard to tell.
Something. I think he's grabbing a mic. I think that's what he's grabbing. Because we just realized that the camera's not going to pick up anything. So? Bloopers. Okay.
We'll do a couple of like rotations of us. So.
Okay.
I have no idea what to say.
Something along the lines of.
We don't have
Hey
to.
everyone, welcome to Retro Friends, your source for.
Drew is hiding over there. Okay. So come play with us on Twitch.
We like our balls being played.
Yeah, play with my balls.
Don't play with us.
Yeah,
on
it's a family-friendly channel, Drew.